Hello, my name is Hyun from Hyun in Los Angeles, California. I am honored to be a co-director of this program, which is Cardiac PET Technologist Workshop, along with Aaron Stevens. I have had the privilege of working as a nuclear medicine technologist over nearly 40 years, predominantly in nuclear cardiology, including last 14 years in the cardiac PET imaging. I've been through and seen lots of changes in nuclear cardiology, but the most exciting and fulfilling experience has been in the cardiac PET imaging to help patients, physicians in providing one of the most accurate diagnostic tools for heart disease. I'll be moderating a few sessions and also presenting a few topics such as ins and outs of cardiac PET tracer delivery system, the acquisition processing aspects of myocardial blood flow measurements, and the technical aspects of coronary calcium scoring, which was pre-recorded for this year. This virtual workshop is scheduled for Saturday and Sunday, February 24th and 5th, which is in just a couple of weeks. I hope you can join us, whether you are new to nuclear medicine or cardiac PET, or just wanted to enhance your knowledge and confidence in performing cardiac PET imaging. Thank you.